The sign says, "Allow your senses to explore the beauty of that surrounds you." Nothing.
That I see is the rocks.
Okay, never mind. Let's go. Signs of life, and another pipe hole.
Let's see if it's these.
It's a hole. A hole.
Oh, that's a hydrant. I think this is a fire hydrant as well.
Turn it on.
It's like a simple fire hydrant. That's right. If you put okay.
It's not a weapon. This is actually sharp right here for you. And here.
I
I'm
don't.
not gonna kill you.
I don't trust you. No. What I mean is, you might.
Can I throw it?
Yeah, yeet it away.
Yeet.
Gone. At least I recorded that pistol-shaped gun.
Let me check.
It's a flintlock.
Flintlock. Look at this stump. Should I try and walk on it?
Okay, go.
Okay. Yes.
No.
Yes. No. We're just risking
Let
ourselves.
Daniel do it.
No.
Yes.
No.
What happens if
No.
you lose the
No.
generator?
No. No. Yes.
Okay, let's let him go.
And yet,
You think I'm gonna fall for that?
yeah. Literally.